everyone, what's up? I thought I would do this look that was inspired by Brianna Fox. She's on YouTube. I love watching her. It's September and a lot of people are starting to get in the fall spirit and everything. I'm still kind of into the summer vibe. It's still really hot outside. I've got to have a little bit cooler weather, but I do love fall and I will be doing a lot of fall looks. But I wanted to do this because she really inspired me. I really like it a lot. So if you want to see how I got it, keep watching. Let's get started. First, what I'm going to do is prime my face. I'm going to prime it with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. It's really good and moisturizing for your face. I really like this a lot to prime with. Next, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes. The way I set my eyes and prime them a lot is just by using concealer. So I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to just go ahead and start by priming those. I'm going to use my fingers to kind of blend it out. I'm going to set it, and I'm going to just set it with my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I'm going to very lightly set your eyes. That will help with blendability. That will help with the really bright eye colors going on your eyes. That way they blend more smoothly. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with this really bright yellow. I'm just going to grab a big kind of fluffy brush. Going to start blending back and forth. This would be a transition shade, so I would start with a lighter shade just to try to make a transition. It helps the colors blend together. I'm just going to blend, and I really blend through, almost up to the eyebrow. Not quite though. I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, next I'm going to go in with the orange that's right beside the yellow. It's kind of a lighter orange color. And I'm going to take a smaller blending brush and get right there in that crease really good. It's kind of going to give that gradient effect. Tapped back in, added a little bit more color, making sure to blend it through. Doing the other eye, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm actually going to change mirrors so I can see a little bit better, get closer to my eyes. Going to make sure to blend the orange, kind of having that gradient effect where there's yellow and then you can see the orange. Okay, then I'm going to do pretty much a cut crease. That way the brighter colors, the pinks and the purples that I'm going to use, are going to be more vibrant on my eyelid. So again, I'm going to grab my Tarte Shape Tape, grab this flat brush. I actually believe this is an e.l.f. blending brush. Then next I'm going to go in with this really gorgeous pink right here. And I'm going to put that more on the inner corners of my eye and just patting it in there with a flatter brush. On my brush, make sure to tap out the excess. Just patting it on mostly right now because we're going to blend it out later. Thing to the other eye. Next, I'm going to go in with this color right here. It's the darker orange in the. I'm going to use, I believe this is a BH Cosmetics 7 brush right here. I'm going to pick up some color and kind of just start tapping, overlapping the middle part of the pink. Okay. Now I'm going to use these two purpley maroon colors. I'm going to mix them together and I'm going to add them with a pencil brush to the outside of the corner of my eyes. I'm just going to tap that on because I'm not blending it yet. I'm kind of blending it in the crease just a little bit. And you want to kind of blend the colors together. Not too much so. Okay, now I'm going to use a brush to start blending. You don't want to start blending in the outer corner where the purple is, because you don't want to bring the purple over to the inner corner. That's not the kind of look I'm going for. So I don't want the purples blended into the pinks or the oranges. So I'm going to start with the orange. And I'm kind of blending it into the yellow, the darker orange, and blending it into the pink at the top of the crease. The same thing on the other eye. If you like the way it looks, then you can start blending the purple into the orange. You don't want to drag it over. You kind of want to blend. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this Born This Way Too Faced foundation. It's my favorite foundation. Usually I put 2 pumps on my hands and then I blend it out with a beauty blender. Take it all over my face. And blend that all over my face. Make sure to blend really, really good. I kind of pat. I like to really get my foundation deep inside my skin, inside my pores. And I've got light, and then I've got light medium, which I definitely use when I'm tanner. I get spray tans a lot, or use self-tanning quite a bit. Right now I'm not. I'm at my lightest shade for my eyes. This will help to clean up any of the mess as well. I didn't really have any fallout with this palette, which was really great, so I'm honestly just going to clean up the side of the eyes with it. Go down my nose, forehead. I'm actually going to do, because this has more of a yellowy tone, the light medium does. I'm going to take it and put it in the corners of my eyes, because yellow helps to offset any darkness, yellow undertones, for concealer. And I'm taking the round part to actually blend it out. That just helps to brighten, because it's a lighter color, so I kind of always hit the T-zone, and then I usually use a lighter color under my eyes, just a couple shades lighter than my foundation, just kind of for a brightening effect. I'm going to set my under eyes first. Just going to take the Cover FX, that's one of my favorites, to set my under eyes with. I'm going to take the brush. This is a BH Cosmetics number 4 brush. This actually came in a set. It's a really good set. Take a little bit. And I'm going to set my under eye. You want to do this to prevent any type of creasing. Side of my nose too. I get oily there. I tend to have makeup to break up in the crease of my nose. Making sure to get my under eyes set. Just going to take a little bit, highlight the forehead, the middle part, because that's my T-zone. It tends to get a little bit oily quicker, so just set in that area. To use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, take the e.l.f. Flawless Face Brush. Bronzing and contouring is a little bit different. Right now I am just bronzing. Bronzers can pull yellow or orange. Obviously you don't want them to look yellow or orange on you, but they pull more yellow and orange than if you're going to contour. Contours, you want to contour with cool colors, and it's kind of contouring. It kind of just sucks everything in, and you want to use cooler tones when you're contouring, which I will be contouring after this, after I bronze. Just gonna go through and make sure to blend really good on my face. Okay, to contour, I'm going to use my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, that lightest cool shade in there. Take my Expert face brush. I'm gonna take that, tap a little on there. As you can see, I'm sculpting out my face right now. It's the cheekbones. Love this to contour my nose with. It is the BH Cosmetics number 9 brush. It kind of has an angle to it a little bit, and I'm just gonna get back into the Physicians Formula, bronze in that a little bit. I'm gonna contour my nose just on the sides. Then I'm gonna take my sponge again and just kind of go down the middle, and that's how I contour my nose. Then I want to clean up my contour. I use the Airspun translucent to clean up my contour, just right here on my cheeks. After I do that step, I usually go back through and blend my bronzer and contour yet again. A little bit of the Nars and a little bit of the Luminoso are both some of my favorite blushes to use. Lightly dusting it on my face. I'm gonna wipe off the bronzer, or not the bronzer, I'm gonna take off the, where I kind of baked a little bit, rub it into my skin. I'm going to finish up my eyes. Take my, it is the, oopsies, just dropped something, go figure. I'm always doing that, seriously. I'm gonna take the NYX Control Freak, the NYX Control Freak Clear Brow Gel to set my brows. Do I want to do eyeliner with this look or not, guys? I don't know. Otherwise, mascara. Go ahead and go off camera to add my false lashes, and I will be back. Okay guys, I'm back. I've got my eyelashes on. I actually did decide to add a little bit of eyeliner. I didn't do like a wing eyeliner or anything, but I did add a little bit of eyeliner. Next, I'm going to add some color to the bottom of my lashes. And then this look will pretty much be done. I'm going to take, what colors do I want? To kind of mix this pink and the orange, the darker orange. Do the same thing to the other side. The lip pencil, it's the NYX lip pencil in natural. I'm gonna line them in that. Okay, now that they're aligned, I'm gonna add my honeydew. Just a little bit. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I'm really happy with how it came out. It's gorgeous. Remember, please subscribe, like, and comment down below suggestions of future videos that you would like for me to do. I will look at them and reply and let you know.